Hello everybody, and MJ's Gaming back with another video. Today we're playing Clickplay Time 4. Yeah, we're doing this in a weird order. I don't know why we're playing Clickplay Time 4, but we're playing it now. Okay. Rained on the dude, he's getting pissed. He moved. Let's move the cloud. No? What's this guy doing? He looks pretty sad. Can't move the cloud? What can we do? Oh, we can hit this guy. Oh, hole in one. That's what we're looking for. Bacon and eggs. Okay. Ooh, whoops. You're the first one. You're the second one. You're the third one. You're the fourth one? Yes. Nice. Step at a time. 3 strikes, you're out. Takes 2 to tango. 1 step at a time. Being on cloud 9. Hell yes. Nice. Oh, bones. Fish. Oh, I messed up. Jeez. Oh, wow. I actually didn't mess up. That was sick. Pepper. Okay, switch that. That's a plus. Okay. Oh. Baby, what's wrong? I think I need to get number 2's mommy. That's okay. Silly number 2's nothing to be ashamed of. Yep. There's definitely a hailstorm coming. I don't know what the joke is. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so that's the last one. Cause these are 2 clouds talking. And that's the first. That's a question. Baby, what's wrong? She responds. Then he replies. Nice. Use the clues to decipher the secret code. The number of lines, maybe? So, oh, yeah. Equals 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the way up to 7. There we go. No swimming in Speedos. Offenders will be arrested. Oh, do we bring them somewhere? Oh, we just click on it. That was easy enough. Yeah, take him to jail. I'm scribbling the missing half of the culinary couple. Burger and fries. So S-E-F. Fries. Okay. Memorize. Okay. Oh, shoot. It was these 3. Oh, no. Okay, top hat, big eyes, small hat, and then it was one of these 2. Yes! That was awesome. What is this? Oh, which one is in order? Maybe? Okay, so that's 3. Wait a minute. Oh, this is 6. This is 6, and then this is 9. This is 7. And, oh, whoops. And then all the way to the end, 5. What? What is wrong with this? Oh, wow. Okay. I didn't even see. Wow. Look at that. That is so hard to see. Alright, green. Wow. I feel so stupid. Nah. And then this is 7. Boom. Okay. Next one. What's going on here? The heart of diamond. Oh, wow. How did we get this? Oh, wait, so why is this not working? Wait, hold up. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wow, this looks way harder. Wait a minute. I'm honestly shook. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm shook. Wait a minute. Oh, gosh. Okay, I found a play button. So now, what do I do with that? Okay, I made it into one picture. So, what if it's supposed to be a middle diamond? Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Oh. I was not even thinking of that. Milk and cookies. That's easy. First letter counts. Mouse. First letter counts. Click. 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 So wait, why did I pick that? Oh, click. Play. Oh, I see what's going on. So lamp. Alien. Y for yellow. Nice. Okay. Use the clues to decipher the code. What? Oh. Convert 24 to 12. Convert in half. Convert 24 to 12. Guys, I don't know this one. I don't understand it. Split it in half. There's nothing I don't think I can do. I think I'm stuck, guys. Convert 24 to 12. I have no clue. Well, you guys can try it out yourselves. Go and try out the game. The game is called Clickplay Time 4. And I guess it stumped me. So I hope you guys have a good one, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.